FormAssembly's July product launch is live, bringing with it powerful features designed to deliver actionable insights on form performance, automating approval processes, streamlining team permission management, security scans of files, and more. Let's take a look at the highlights. Introducing Form Analytics. For organizations that try to capture every lead that hits their forms, Form Analytics provides the insights needed to optimize form performance. Tracking metrics like form abandonment, submission errors, and bottlenecks for every form allows your team to identify issues and quickly improve your respondents' experience. Audit permissions are required to view this feature. Form Analytics is now available on team, enterprise, and government plans. Workflow approvals. Now, your data collection workflows can include approval steps, where approvers in your organization review applications, file uploads, or any data your forms collect, and they can approve or deny the submission. Newly added user permissions for approvers will empower your organization to clearly define who has the authority and access to review and respond to approval requests powered by FormAssembly. Approvals and approver licenses are now available for purchase on team, enterprise, and government plans. New user groups. The latest addition to FormAssembly's robust permission and user governance controls, user groups makes it easy to onboard and manage your FormAssembly team. Create a group, assign granular permissions, then just add users to the group to apply that permission set across multiple team members. If your user switches roles, removing them from the group removes those permissions in the same streamlined manner, making bulk permission management fast and easy. User groups are now available on all multi-user plans. Secure File Scan. For organizations that need to extend their security stance to every part of their data collection process, Secure File Scan integrates an antivirus scan into every form and workflow with a file upload. Admins with access to our new security settings page can enable this feature to scan and log suspicious files for further action. With Secure File Scan enabled, form owners will receive notifications of suspicious file uploads and warnings when attempting to download files marked as suspicious with acknowledgments required and logged. Secure File Scan is available on enterprise and government plans. For more information on any of these launch highlights or other features that we just released, visit help.formassembly.com or check out the blog linked in the description of this video. And for more FormAssembly content, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Happy form building!